Hello everyone. So today we are going to make a very special dosa. A few people call it Karam dosa. A few people call it a red chutney dosa. I'm just going to call it a special dosa because there is a restaurant in Dubai where I had this dosa, and after that I just went crazy. I thought that I should try this recipe at home because the dosas here are very expensive. For one dosa we pay around 16 to 20 dirhams. So today I thought that I'm going to eat unlimited. So to make this dosa, we need a pan. Make sure your pan is heated properly. I'm going to keep the dosa very thin because going to just cook from one side. Once you have your dosa on the pan, put lots and lots of ghee. The main ingredient of our dosa is the ghee. When you have the dosa, you get a very flavorful taste of the ghee. Spread the ghee properly. Let the dosa cook for a minute. Make sure the dosa, once you start seeing the dosa is turned brown in some parts, then you can add your chutney. We've made the chutney at home, and the ingredients that we need for the chutney should be easily available at home, for which we need 4 to 5 red chilies, 3 to 4 Kashmiri chilies, 12 to 15 garlic cloves, some black pepper, curry leaves, dalia, tamarind. I'm going to add a pinch of sugar and salt as per the preference. Put all the ingredients in a mixer jar, and I'm also going to add a little bit of water and make a fine paste. Now I'm going to add the chutney on the dosa. I want my dosa to be spicy and flavorful, so adding 2 to 3 spoons the dosa and spreading the chutney evenly. If you want less chutney, you can add less chutney. If you want more chutney and it to be less spicy, then you can put more number of Kashmiri chilies and less number of red chilies in the paste. And if you don't want spicy at all, then you can take out the black pepper and just use Kashmiri chili, garlic cloves, cumin seeds, tamarind and salt to make the chutney. Okay. Now once you put the chutney on the dosa, again let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. We are just going to cook it from one side, so do not low the flame. Keep the same flame as you've kept from the start. Now I'm also going to add onion on it, raw onion. I'm going to press the onion on the dosa a little bit so that it mixes up with the chutney that we put on the dosa. If you want, you can add more ghee. I want more ghee on my dosa, so I'm adding more ghee on it, and then again spread it. This chutney is very tasty. You can also have plain dosa with this chutney, or you can have a coconut chutney or tomato and onion chutney with with this dosa. I'm just going to eat this dosa like without anything, as I've put lots of chutney on it. So it's already flavorful and nothing else is needed with this dosa. Let it cook again for a minute. See, the dosa is starting to turn brown now. It's almost cooked. If you want, you can add some cheese on top of it. You can also add paneer on top of it as per your choice. I'm just going to add the onion, and just another 20 to 30 seconds and our dosa will be ready. Some people also add masala bhaji, that is potato bhaji, on this dosa and have it. I just want to keep my dosa light, so just added the chutney, onion, and our dosa is ready to eat. Our thin, crispy, special dosa. You can have it with or without chutneys.